I'm emailing. Native, I'm sending an email. Beginner, I'm paying. Native, I'm paying for it. Beginner, I'm saving money. Native, I'm putting money aside. Beginner, I'm spending money. Native, I'm spending big. Beginner, I'm losing money. Native, I'm losing out. Beginner, I'm earning money. Native, I'm making money. Beginner, I'm resting. Native, I'm taking a break. Beginner, I'm resting. Native, I'm taking a break. I'm relaxing. Native, I'm unwinding. Beginner, I'm feeling sick. Native, I'm feeling under the weather. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.